Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Denton County in north central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north central Texas
until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. This rainfall will lead to excessive water runoff and cause flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low-water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Allen, The Colony, Prosper, Enna, Fairview, Princeton, Salina, Lucas, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Aubrey, Lowry Crossing, Krugerville, Crossroads, Melissa, New Hope, and Weston. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in